Okay. Ping sent. People have been notified of the stream. I'm feeling very tired. My brain and everything are a little bit dead right now. Hence the dead inside in the stream title. But what's the worst that could happen? Yippee. Ugh. Anyway, footstep sounds. Important in a horror game. Or any game to make it feel good. Because right now, I load game. I walk. Silence. It's horrible. The silence is deafening. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have footsteps. And sadly, the very first step of this is to find every single material that I want to have a sound for, and then make a sound for it. Or find one online, more accurately, because I'm not a sound designer. But it's gonna be fun. Yep. Maybe we can find some, like a pack. That would be very nice. Material, footstep, sounds. Doesn't even need to be Roblox. Just material, footstep, sounds. Ooh. Well, maybe this video has a module we can yoink and take the sounds out of. We're gonna strip this for parts. Oh, it's by Ugly Burger.
Okay, so Roblox did a little.
Don't care about this. Wait.
Sound IDs themselves parented to them. So we want it to be parented to the really generic.
Good to see popular Roblox developers are using good programming methods.
All of the and plays the sound. Material, character.
Can I yoink something? Aha! Something I can yoink. Give me the sounds. Don't worry, I'm still gonna code it myself. I just need the sounds. Sounds, 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 sounds. Yay! Oh god. Uh-oh. What the heck? Wow, these sounds are low quality. Not a huge fan. Okay, these are fine. Gosh, there's a lot of sounds. I'm gonna go through every single one to see which ones it doesn't let me use. Huh? Grr. I don't know what these sounds are. We'll find them eventually. Because I'm assuming they won't play. Okay, I like the concrete sounds. Concrete sounds are nice. Dirt. Yes, I'm going through every single one. See which ones didn't load. 108, 228. Oh, bring that. Oh. Such is the life of a game developer. Why does it sound like that? Okay, glass, bad. Carpet, bad. Dirt and concrete are good. Ooh. Okay, I like the grass. Grass is good. Gravel sounds good too. Gravel's good. Ladder. For climbing. Don't need that. Actually, they make good metal sounds. I bet it's gonna be the same here. No, but that's better. So get rid of ladder. I should probably keep going from top to bottom so I don't skip anything. Auto. Okay. Not bad. Yes, these are good. Keep chain link. What, are you gonna be walking on a chain link fence? I don't think I'm gonna need it, but I'm gonna keep it anyway. They seem pretty good. What the heck? Bad. Bad. Delete. Mud. Okay. Seems good. This is so tedious. I'm really doing this to myself, aren't I? I have a ping from the Ecto server. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the heck? Alright, I'm going to ignore that. Someone just wrote a diss track for ants. So that's fun. Rubber? What in the world would have a rubber sound? But you know what? It's not bad. Sand is pretty good too. Alright, that's good. Slosh, what the heck? Ooh, found a problem. Oh, it's these that are the problem, isn't it? You know what? I don't need them. Not bad. I'll live with it. Okay, good snow sounds. Looks like a little bit more crunch, but whatever. Tile? Okay. I'll definitely be needing these. I'm gonna just say that they're good. Wood. I like it. But I feel like we could use another wood variation. Alright, so we got a good starting ground. We got most of the sounds we need. Actually, more like half. Half the sounds we need. So we're going to find more to yoink. And then mix and match. Huh? Mix and match. That's what you say. Words. What is this? No, not what I need. Unreal Engine, but maybe they have sound files. Grr. Better to find as locked as possible. Ooh. You want a couple sounds, please? Alrighty, cool. We'll be taking this file and yep. Don't know what I just pressed, but I downloaded the file apparently. I don't care. ID list. Oh, it's an ID list? Man. Okay, well we got some. We do have some sounds though. Just not multiple, but oh, it's a long file, isn't it? I don't think I want to do it that way. So, delete. Screw you. We need new sounds, not these, I guess. I need more sound IDs, sir. What? That's not how that works. Wait, is it? This is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. Was this written by AI? I don't even know, dude. We need sound files. What? R. Okay, well maybe these are enough sounds. Let's just take a... We need carpet sounds though, that's for sure. Carpet is non-negotiable. And we are indeed missing it. What is bass? Why is this even here? What material could we use this for? Maybe we would combine that. Yeah, let's see what they do with it. Why do they even do this? They have them all right here. Oh, this is not too well programmed actually. That's it. Got it. It's not used. I was thinking I might combine it with the other sound to like make it a bit stronger, you know, for like a sprinting sound, but I think just increase volume for that. If we just look around, we can see materials we could need. We already have wood, although I feel like I could use another wood sound. This sounds like thin wood, you know. We're walking on a crate. Not quite, you know, other wood. Yippee! Look at this. Oh, I have to split them individually. Ew. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna be getting Audacity. We need this. That's a giant, not a monster. Okay, we need wood. Footsteps. Actually, carpet. Let's do carpet first. We're gonna find anything good. Royalty free, he'll love to see it. Socks? No. Doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound like you're walking on carpet. Why is it so attacky? Ew. That. Oh, my ears. That hurts. Ooh, wood. Sounds like we already have. Actually, I kind of like it, though. Where did it go? Shit. Oh, wait, it's still here. Yoink. Mine. Which is like a loud watermark in the middle. Okay, I kind of like it. I don't even hear it. There's no way that's what it sounds like to walk on carpet. Walking on carpet is really quiet. Maybe for walking on carpet, I could really just use a quiet version of this. Wait, hold up. What does it sound like to walk on carpet? Hold on, one sec. Yeah, it sounds like nothing. What am I even looking for? What have I been looking for all this time? Nothing? I'll just use these. If I change the playback speed on these, does it sound any better? Ooh. Alright, I kind of like it. Run something here. So, first order of business. These need to be sound players. Like that. Audio player. Uh-huh. Now, what do we even want to do here? Okay, so I'm going to put these in assets. And we don't need this. Folder. Sounds. Organization. Good practice. Footstep. We should probably pluralize that. Okay, so... Oh, wait, we need another wood sound, don't we? Oh, this is not a good walking sound. Maybe it'll be fine. Let's code the system and then we can mess with sounds afterwards if it feels like it needs it. Now, how do I mark the material? Because I could just use the actual material. That's not always going to be quite right. We could use a tag. Let's just start by using the material. Should be a good starting spot. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that controller, where's my camera classes? So in the primary camera, no, we have a modifier for the primary camera offsetter, the walk bobble, and that does have a step event. Yes, a stepped event, which we can use to perfectly sync the footsteps with your camera, which is going to feel so nice. And we can also use a service to broadcast that to the server and then send the footstep out to the other clients to play it. This should be fine. Or I could do something a little bit smarter. Prevent, like, lag doing weird things to your footsteps. I could just give the server a boolean of whether or not you're walking and then play footsteps based off of that. That'd probably be a lot smarter. Does the server know what speed? Yeah. So we got an attribute on the human. Oh, but that's not replicated, is it? Are you telling me player speed is not? Oh, that should be a modifier, shouldn't it? Did I make a modifier system? I'm pretty sure I did do that. Modifier manager, let's go. I did do it. Alright. So we have a modifier manager. Can get the value. Seems good. Okay, actually, movement speed. Where is this being calculated? It's in the movement controller? Probably movement controller. Controllers. Movement controller. There we go. Where is the speed calculated? Is it? Ah! How can we make this work? So we're gonna... Okay. So let's first require the modifier manager class. Replicate storage class stuff. Modifier manager. Okay. Speed. Modifier manager. Dot new. The base value. Do we have a config? Yes, we have a config. But wait, hold on. Speed multiplier. Where is this used? Here. humanoid.walk speed. So we don't want to use that. Do we? Do we want to use that? No, we don't, right? Yeah, we can choose our own. We're just going to set it to the default, which we can yoink from the starter player. Yes. Game.starter player. Huh? Starter player. Should probably require this. Starter player. Game get service starter player. Should make it a bit more organized. Ignore the sounds in the background. I have a feeling I'm about to get doused with water. Just don't worry about it. It's a long story. Character walk speed. Perfect. So that's the base value, which is fine. Then whenever we calculate the speed, okay, we're gonna need a modifier. We need to put this in a variable, don't we? How do I do this again? Let's see. Add modifier. Got it. Value. Default 1. Enums. Dot modifier. It's gonna be a multiply. All right. So a couple things we gotta do here. Self.speed modif set. Is that something I can do? It is not. Yeah. Did I not add an oh, set value. Got it. The value is going to be calculate speed multiplier. Easy. I don't have to do this at a specific time, right? I don't think I do. But yeah, we good. Then, yeah, that's about it. We update that. Then here, instead, we just do times self.speed get. No, of course it's not that easy. It's a get value. It's get value. Funny demon game. I am now your homework background noise. Yo, let's go! Woo! Still let me know if you want to talk about the lore a bit. Yeah, I've been neglecting that part of the game for a while. Ooh, I should probably also add this. We're gonna say... Okay. Let's add a new modifier. Speed manager. Add modifier. Then we can... Did I forget to put parameters? I did not. Okay. Then get rid of this as well, but we're going to need to say direction modif. Set value to this monstrosity of math. And remove those extra parentheses because we don't need them. And if it's 0, we can just do set value 1, because, you know, who cares? Quick optimization that I'm not sure if I did. Set value. Yeah, we can make this optimization. If self.value equals value, then return, because we do not care. Can you not set the base of a manager? Well, that was silly of me. Let's add that. Manager get base. Base. Function manager set base. Oh wait, no, we do not. We take in a value. New base number. Okay, so what do we need to do in order to actually change this? We fire the changed event. Got it. Self.base. New base self changed. Shoot. Why isn't it that easy? Oh, it's not an event. I'm very silly. That should work. Okay. But we should also do the same case here and make sure we don't do this if we don't have to. Okay. Modifier manager improved. So now we can set that. Speed should be calculated correctly. I forgot I actually made you go slower if you're walking backwards. I like that. Is streaming music from Spotify allowed on Twitch? Depends on the music. If the music is copyright free, then you're good. This music is. Thank you, Good Kid, by the way. Great band. Absolutely love them. They, if you go to their YouTube, you can actually see, or maybe it's their Twitch, one of them, you can see very clearly that they do not care if you use their music in something like this. Also, look at this thing that I made last stream. This killed me, but it's done, and it looks absolutely fucking sick. Holy moly, dude. Now, you can't fit through it, but that's a later me problem. I might just make these skinnier. I'll probably do that. Okay, so, movement controller. Now we can get the speed a bit easier. But we should probably have it start telling the server of the speed. Just change this real quick. So let's add something in the server. But service, should we put this in? Maybe character service. Alright, let's look at some documentation real quick. Knit. Because I know they have a way to do client to server properties, and I want that. I want that. Give me it. So, let's see. It's probably going to be under services. Properties. Client remote property. No, that's not what I needed. There's no client to server, is there? Of course not. Why would there be? Yeah, you can't set it. Well, crap. Alright, well, what we can do... Services. We want events client to server. Ah, easy. This adds something like, update speed. We're gonna just make this snip. Okay. Then we can have the client tell the server, hey, this is my speed, and then we can have the server do the footsteps. Actually, we should probably put this in a footstep service. So let's duplicate this and call it footstep service. Um, could I just use a... No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, well, we can get the player and the new speed. And we can do line that's change, connect. Should put this in the start. Gonna take the player, speed, get it into our function. So now, how are we going to store player speed? So let's just have a table. It might be that easy. Cool. And then let's just do some, There we go. Now it shouldn't have a memory leak. Okay. Well, that's incredibly easy, but now that we have the speed... How do we want to do this? We have the speaker service. I think we could literally just use the speaker service here for the application. No. We'll have... Ugh. I'm making this unnecessarily complicated, aren't I? So how are we going to handle this? We need a speaker to play the footsteps. However, client application makes this a little weird. So we're going to definitely have... Maybe we have the... Yeah, we're going to have the server... Yeah. Okay, I figured it out. We're going to have the server put a speaker on every... Let's update the speaker class a little bit so we can access them easier. We're going to have the server put a speaker on every player. then the client's also going to put their own speaker on themselves, and it's going to mute the server speaker. Yeah, okay, I like that. So let's go to our classes and change up the speaker. Speaker. Alright. It's like the third iteration of this class, but you know what? Who cares? It's just small edits. So we're going to do speaker dot instance speakers. And this is going to be a dictionary of types. Audio. What the heck is it called? Audio emitter. Let's go. Audio emitter. No, we're gonna do instance. It's gonna be the parent. Yeah, okay, I like that. It's gonna point to this. Okay. And we'll do speaker.instance speakers self.parent equals self. Alright, that will update it. We also need to handle the destroy. And whenever you set the parent. No, speaker. No, not spawn. Speaker. Instance speakers. Whenever you change it, it needs to remove it from the old. Oh, wait, it needs to be a list. Shoot. Could be multiple speakers on the instance. Huh. Let's make that a little bit more annoying, but it's not going to be the end of the world. If not, speakers, then close new list. Read table insert. Easy peasy. Now we need to handle the remove. If self-parent, then we're gonna do speaker, instant speakers, parent, end, table.find speakers, so find if it's in that list. Actually, we're gonna put that here. We do speakers, if index, then we can remove it. Then if the length speakers is now 0, then we want to just remove it so we don't have any. So speaker.instance speakers parent nil. Then after we set the new parent, we need to add it to the new list. So we're going to say speaker.instance speakers. I'm going to copy this. Actually, no, we can do speakers. This, if not speaker, then that should work. So now that'll update it so we can access it a little bit easier. Should probably be able to assign this a name so it's a little bit easier to identify. We can do that as well. Oh, more replication. Oh, we also need to add it to the remove. Yeah, here. So we're gonna say if speaker, no, local speakers, speaker, instance speakers, self parent. If this exists, then index table that finds speakers self. If it is found, then we remove it. And if it's empty, then we remove. Then we clear it. There we go. No memory leaks. Now let's add a name to these. Oh, wait, I can actually make that really straightforward. Oh, no, it isn't. Because it doesn't exist like that on the server. Damn it. It's not that easy. Oh well, we've already committed. No, have we? We have not. No, we have. Whatever. Screw it. We're doing it. Name, string. Let's make name required. Parent name. Okay, we have to definitely do some stuff. Self name equals name. And we can say speaker.name self.name. Nice. Now whenever we serialize, whenever we load from serialization, we need to update this. Now, should do speaker.update from serial. Self parent parent. Now let's start updating the client controller. Yep. We have a sound controller in here, I believe. Yes, right here. This handles the replication. Replicate change. We do speaker update from serialization. Did I misspell it? Serialization. Seems to be spelled right. Did I spell it wrong here? Where is it? Update from serialized. Ah. There we go. That will update it. Seems good. Kosher. Now we need a set name. function speaker dot set name. Also function speaker get name. Name. Dot. Okay, if name equals self.name, then return we do not care. Self.name equals self. We don't need to update it. If self.speaker, then self.speaker name equals name. Self.change. Speaker changed. Sounds good. I don't know if that'll work, but we're gonna say it will. Now we need to update the occurrences of this. I don't think I really use it here. That's classes, that's speaker. Where do we use this? One place. Now we just add a name. Elevator, speaker. Seems good. We're gonna assume it works without testing it. Actually, we should probably test it. It works. We heard the ding. Alright, now that we got that, and we know what we're gonna do, let's actually do it. So in services, we made a footstep service. So here we're gonna do we need to get the footstep service. We can just say footstep service. Let's optimize a little bit. Nah, it doesn't matter. Does it? Yeah, it kind of does. Okay. Service is init client service. And here, self.footstep. Self. No wait, init get service footstep service. So now we have the service. We can actually, you know, tell it our speed. Service. It's called speed changed. Self.current speed. So now the server should know what speed you're moving at all times. We're going to also have a last speed nil. We can detect speed changes and optimize it. Self up. Last speed. And that way we don't send this more than we need to. Okay. Now the server should have it in a somewhat optimized manner. Now we need to actually, like play the footsteps. So footstep service dot handle client handle player, not cloud service player. So once we have player, what do we need to do? We need to detect whenever they create a character so we can add a speaker to it. First, let's actually make this work. Oh my god, my typing. Okay, so let's clean up whenever we do ifs character counts player, then disconnect. Some good memory leak stuff, then handle character. So stuff to character connections player equals player character added connect. And so whenever we get a new character, we need to add a speaker. But what do we want to add it onto? Probably the humanoid root part. We want to do it at like a lower part of it, not so low that it might mess up the raycast. So we'll add an attachment to the. Yeah. We'll... Footstep attachment equals instance.new. So we're gonna also say root equals character wait for child humanoid. And we add this attachment onto the root. And we set its position to there. Should be fine. Then we want to add a speaker to this attachment. We also need to name it. Name equals footstep. That way the client can find it a little bit easier. Then we're going to need our speaker class to actually play the footstep sounds. Player speaker is also a good thing to have. It's important. That's important. Speaker. I just want to make sure I make this a little bit destroy safe, so it doesn't. If it gets destroyed twice, nothing weird happens. Let's see. We're done for the destroy function. Where is it? Destroy. Okay, so if it's on the client, I don't think that's going to be dangerous. That's not dangerous. Yeah, we chilling. Be destroyed twice, no issues. So then we're gonna do self.player speakers speaker.new. We're gonna put it on this attachment. We're gonna name it server. Put steps. What's it complaining about? Did I do the silly thing? I think I might have. I did not. What are you complaining about? Oh. Silly me. I did something different that was even more stupid. Okay, so now that we have the speaker, we can actually play things from it. So now, let's add something else we're gonna do. Step cons player script connection. That's gonna be a render step. Oh no, heartbeat because it's on the server. We need run service though, so we can actually connect to it. So whenever we get this stuff done, so connections player. Let's connect. And we'll say run service dot heartbeat connect. Take the delta time. Okay, t equals 0. We're gonna use the time counter. We're gonna say if. First, we're gonna get the humanoid. And say if if not humanoid or humanoid health is dead, then we're gonna play any footsteps. However, so okay, we need to calculate how long we want it to be between footsteps based off of their speed. How do we calculate this in the movement control or the walk bubble, I guess actually. Step T. It's just hold on. Okay, so how do I grade this? Okay, so we add in the delta. If your speed is greater than 0, we need to have a min walk speed, but I'm not going to actually use that here. It's more important for the camera. So this is the delta time. So we have the delta time times your speed times the speed scale. I think I'm literally just gonna like it actually. I'm fine with that. Walk, bobble, fire, storage, stop, camera, offsetter, dot. Let's make sure this isn't gonna have some weird issues. Ooh, this requires a lot of things. Primary camera and camera offset are a little concerning. Camera shape as well. Rest should be fine. Is there any issues if we require this on the server? Camera. Primary camera. I don't think this is going to have any issues. No issues here. I think we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. We can require it like this, no issue. So once we have this required, we can yoink its constants, which, you know. Yeah, player speed, good thing to have. We're gonna add a number, we're gonna just do self dot speed. Player speeds. Or 0. So let's just make a speed variable for them. So we get the speed, we progress that, that's fine, that's fine. What else do we do in this bubble? We need this. If t is greater than or equal to 1, then we want to modulo it so it pi Oh, I see. No, we're doing this differently, actually. It's supposed to be more like this. So I'm just going to copy this. So this is the delta. Why did I make this? I guess it's not too confusing. It's just... Oh no, we are using this. Shoot. Undo. Undo. I misread. Okay, so we are in this. Okay. Negative is probably important. I think that's just the direction. So now what? Aha, so this is what actually does the shake. We need the last T. I don't think we actually need a negative. Yeah, we don't need a negative. But we do need the last T. We can actually just, get here. So if so if T is greater than or equal to blah 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 step T, no, config step T. So if the new time is greater than the time at which we put the step, and the last one is less than it. Oh, I see. I need all of this, don't I? I'm so stupid. I must be really tired. What's it complaining about here? Oh. There's, huh? I'll look into it. T plus equals delta. Don't think negative is necessary here. Don't need that. Okay, so that will update T the exact same way they do it here. So, well, I do it here. So that we can, yeah. Now we can take this. So that means we needed a step, and we can actually play the sound. Play footstep. And we do player. Speaker. I don't have the speaker saved here. Ah. There we go. We have the speaker. And I think we should probably pass into this. It's speed. And the material. We need to find a way to... we'll just pass in the root part. The position. Yeah, the position root part. I forgot to specify what the root is. We can just do attachment.world position. What? Oh, right, we don't actually have this function yet, so let's write that. Function footstep service dot play footstep. So we do speaker. We should probably pass the player instead. Player. Speed. And the position. Now we need to actually play the sound. So first we need to figure out the material, I think. So that's just a raycast. We can say, what's a good thing we can use for this? Can we literally use the sound thing? Cast down. I don't think we need that. Interact. Let's just add a group. Footstep. Only collides with default, I believe. And footstep, I guess. Let's add the params in here. Raycast params.new. Okay, did I pluralize it? I did not. I'm going to not do the player character. What do you mean? Huh. Could be nil. There, you happy? What the hell? Model could not be converted to instance in an invariant context. That doesn't make any sense. Hello. Why are you still making that joke? So we have the raycast perms now. We can actually raycast default. I saw some chat. I haven't seen anything too recent. I saw the diss track. Let's see what happened to it. You responded with a... What is wrong with you people? Whatever. Game.workspace. Raycast. Position. Vector 3 dot. 0. We're just doing down. Actually, we can do vector 3 dot. Y-axis minus. Actually, we should probably do a distance. We're doing this at 1.2 below. And we need to do it at about edge 2. rounds. That'll get the result. Okay. If not result, and then return. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I just remembered something. Hold on. Humanoid. Floor material. It gives me less control though. So, you know what? Screw it. We're recasting. So now we know that it hit something. We're gonna get the material of it. Here, let's start another something. Footstep service. Get sounds folder. Get sounds for. Get sound for. Yeah, sounds, why not? Material. For object, actually. Actually, no, we can do. So we'll take in the material. And the object. Result.material, result.instance. Okay, good night. Bye. Good luck with your diss track. I'm gonna say this returns. If material. Look at our materials. Maybe this could switch statements right about now. Roblox, get on this shit. Or I guess Lua. Those random Brazilians that made Lua didn't give us switch statements. Grr. Okay, let's get the folder. Assets. Get storage. Assets. Sounds. Assets. There we go. What are you complaining about? Oh, it's because I haven't finished this function. So what do we have here? Material. Material. Let's make a material mappings. Not imply. Config. Material mappings. We'll just do top to bottom. Neon. The heck? What would neon sound like? Probably some form of metal. Not that. Metal auto, definitely. Material. plastic. Do we not have a plastic in here? Probably use rubber. Yeah, we're using rubber. Ice. Probably also use rubber for that. Actually, tile. Yeah, tile. Number material, mud. And material. Oh, boring, boring, boring. Sorry, is it reordering? Whatever. Oh, it's nil. And material. Glass. Also tiles. Carpet. Okay, we should probably... Let's add a type here. Type. We're gonna have folder. Volume. Number. Speed. Number. Material, we're going to point it to an optional sound folder. You're not going to give me any warnings? A lot of... Thanks. But we do speed of 0.6. And this volume of 1.2. Seems good. And material, what's next? Rubber. Easy. Foil. Ooh. Should I use this? Great, probably. Concrete. Salt, we just use sand. Really what I want to use. This could be worse. Hello there, Codecraft First. How are you? To the stream. I am manually going through a whole bunch of footstep sounds. Let's go. Just a little, not feeling too great. Not like physically, just mentally, just been a little tired today, And this isn't exactly helping. Just, manually going through every single material and assigning it a footstep group. Yippee. The heck is basalt? I'm gonna say that's like concrete. What brings you to the stream? Assume ground is the dirt. It's probably a safe assumption. Okay, after how long have you been on Roblox Studio? Today, my stream has been 1.5 hours. In general, like for my lifetime, how long have I been using Roblox Studio? 6 years. And as for how long I've been coding, 8. And this is the best I can do. Make footstep sounds. Yippee. No, it's not the best I can do. I did a lot cooler stuff. This is just like I have to find myself doing as the only person on my dev team. I've been screwing for a year. How's that going? Made anything cool? Leather? What the heck would that sound like? Except raycasting. Well, I'm actually using raycasting here. In order to determine what material you're walking on, I'm just sending a ray down from a spot a bit above your feet, sending it directly downward, seeing what it hits, taking the material of that. I know technically there's a property on humanoid, like ground material, but you know what? I can't be bothered to use it. Although I probably should. We'll see. Yeah. That's the kind of things that you start to gain when you've been around as long as I have. You just start to be like, oh, so like you just start using more things. As you use more and more things, you start to find out about more and more things until suddenly you know about way too much that you'll probably never use. Except in this case, I am using it, which is pretty nice. What am I going to use? Hurt? That would be weird, wouldn't it? That would be very weird on drywall. That would be very weird on drywall. Tile could work. That's definitely not right. Concrete? Yeah, concrete. Kind of pavement, also concrete. Yeah, it is. Especially for when you're doing this, although I'm a masochist, so I'm not using it. I'm like, there's situations where I might want to manually customize it without changing the material. Such an idiot. Cardboard. The heck? Since when is cardboard a material that you can walk on? We're using bass. Or is it base? Probably base. What comes after? Cardboard, limestone. Concrete. I hate this so much. This is why AI exists, to automate useless tasks like this, but it doesn't do that. Instead, it generates bad art. I'm almost at the bottom, though. I think. How close am I? Pretty close. Alright, not much more. Leafy grass. Yeah, it's just grass. Yeah, I mean, okay, those are good logos, don't get me wrong, but like, I can't in good conscience use it. Not only is it always like this one style, it's uniquely AI, you look at it, you're like, ugh, that's AI, gross. But you're also like, you can get something a lot more personal, a lot just better by hiring someone to do it. Sure, that doesn't mean you need money, which some people just can't afford, but I can in my case, so I'm not freaking with it. Did I use do cobblestone already? No? Dang. Deja vu. It really is all the same. They always go overboard with the lighting and everything else looks kind of mid. Ceramic tiles, that's new. That didn't used to be a material. Ads! You're welcome. Kidding. Sorry about the ads. I could turn it off, however, I need my 2 cents. Grr. Welcome back. I'm almost at the bottom. Only covers up my entire screen. Aluminium, that used to be something. Why did I say aluminium? I'm not British, I promise. What did I do for blast? Rubber. What does rubber sound like again? Is this something I should be using more? Nah, it's good. Seems good. That's every single material minus aluminum because I don't even know why it's there. You know what? I'll do it even though it's deprecated. Source. Okay, it's gonna give me a warning. Screw you. Never mind. I'm not doing it. So now that we have that, we can actually, you know, do this. So, config material mappings. Material. If not, then return empty. Else, I'm gonna return. We don't even do an else. We'll just cut out. So, sounds for okay, so for sound in that folder, get children. Get children. You cannot iterate over a folder. There. Table to insert sounds. Sound dot. I need to make sure it's sound. Sound dot. Oh, continue, not return. Sound ID. We should also actually return volume and speed. There we go. If sounds is empty, then return. Then, if it's not empty, we're going to choose a sound. Okay, it's a random sound. Make a player instance. Instance.new audio player. Using the new Roblox audio API. It's very nice. Okay. What do I want to do with this audio player now? Where do I want to put it? Drop it in. I'm using player, that's confusing. Audio player. Oh, I can just put it in here. Okay. Audio player. That's messy. Where do I want to put it? We'll put changes to the attachment. Position. And we have the attachment, so we can just put it there, I guess. Then we can do, we can get the player speaker, so speaker, speakers, player, if not speaker. This is a custom system I made for audio, so I can like muffle it through walls and stuff. So we have the player, we need to actually set things on here. Audio, player, volume. Volume, audio, playback speed equals speed, audio player dot ID, asset ID, sound. Oops, why did I put a comma there? Add input? Yes, that's what it's called. Audio player. Audio player play. Audio player ended. And we do audio. Dish. There we go. Footsteps. Let's see. Does it work? Oh no. Oh, I'm an idiot. What was I thinking? This goes here. Gah! Index nil of parent. I see. Wait, hold up. One thing I should check. Bam. This goes up here. Why would parent be nil? Application? So this is from replication, I'm assuming. Yes, replicate speaker. Serialized.parent was nil. And that killed it where? Here. So there's no errors anywhere else. So these an error. Okay, so it's possible they were all nil. That's print serialization. Let's speaker. Lowercase s. Let's see. Oh, come on. Clearly, it's not a regular table. We can do something weird. Wait, speaker.uuid was not nil. Alright, now we can see exactly what's in this table. Iterate over a string? What do you mean it's a string? What the heck? Oh! It's stringifying. I see. I see what's happening. Why in the world is it stringifying? Why is it stringified? And why did it let me do .uuid? Not even gonna worry about it. The speaker created thing. First thing is weird. Let's print all three. Let's see what information we got here. Didn't print anything? That must have put this in the wrong spot. Line 87. Ooh. Oh. I don't particularly need any ideas, but hello, welcome to the stream. I just figured out what happened. So the problem is, because I was using a table as a key, and whenever you send something via a remote event, it gets JSON, it gets like JSON encoded before being sent. That means that on receiving it, well, that when it was turned into JSON, JSON only accepts strings and numbers as keys to dictionaries. So I had to convert the table to a string, which is why I was telling you this. Okay, so what I need to do speaker dat. We'll do speaker dat. Speaker. Serialized. Speaker dat. Now we need to change it on the server so it gives us what we need. Kill Veggie, how are you doing today? Welcome to the stream. That's right, serialized and puts, yep, that should be good. Now let's see what happens. Now that it's all JSON friendly. Aha. Oh! Look at that. Footstep sounds. Woo! Looks so cool. Thank you. I put so much time into this. Oh, this is the bane of my existence right here. This I made last stream. This killed me inside. This took me 5 hours. But it's so nice. Look at this. It's so nice. I love these footstep sounds. They're perfect. Making wood sounds. It's hard to code. It's a lot of work, but it's not impossible. Okay, this is a fine wood sound. Why isn't it detecting the carpet? That's my question. I wanted to detect this carpet, and I want to lower the volume of everything. But honestly, though, so far, so cool. I love this footstep system. It's very nice. And this is the server side. I have to do something with the client. Do I, though? Maybe I don't. I probably should. It'd feel a lot more responsive to do it that way. Guess I will. So the problems are, I can just do playback speed times 0.5. Then I also want. Ooh. Okay, times move speed divided by. You need to clamp this too. That's not how clamp works anymore. Move speed divided by starter player. Yeah, starter player. Let's get starter player in here. Now that we have starter player, we can divide by the default walk speed. Character walk speed. Oh wait, this is the speed. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do the volume. That should make it a little bit nicer. It's gonna make it a little bit quieter still. Zero point 0.3. 5. Alright, now why is it ignoring this? Material is fabric. But it's going directly through it. What could be causing this? Is it too thin? That could probably cause it. Does that magically fix it? It might. Genuinely might, knowing how Roblox works. Still wood. Ground material. Makes it wood. Because can collides off? That shouldn't do that, but I mean, I guess it could. Part of the reason I was using. Let's see what happens if I turn on can't collide. Indeed, does not fix it. Does the humanoid detect it correctly now? Fabric. The humanoid detects it now, but my code doesn't. Not entirely sure why, but that's what debugging is for. One thing I do right. So we're just raycasting it. What would be happening? Maybe I don't care, actually. I might not care, honestly. Maybe I just messed up fabric. I, in fact, did not mess up fabric. Whatever. I don't think I care enough. Gonna make the footsteps even quieter, though, because it's still too loud. Now we need to do something on the client. Let's make it feel a little bit more responsive. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move as much code of this as I can onto a module that I can share between the client and server. Called play footstep. Yeah, what parameters are we going to need here? Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Duh. Footstep service. We're going to need this. We're going to need this. Okay, so by moving this into a module, I can access it on both the client and the server, so I can have the same code used twice, which is better than having to write the same code twice. And this is because I want to make it feel really responsive. I want the footsteps to be perfectly timed with your camera bobbing. And I have a way I can do that pretty easily. All I need to do is actually just play the sound at that time. So what I'm going to do is I have the server playing the sounds for everybody else. Then you mute those sounds for yourself, and then you play your own sounds, which is why I need this to be shared. I need this. Okay. So already most of what I need. We take player, move, speed, attachment. Sounds good. And we'll give out an audio player. We can take this code, I guess. An audio player. So we're also going to need the get sounds for footstep. Get sounds for footstep. Material. There we go. We need starter player. And we need another copy paste. Okay, it works. It should work now. Now we should actually use it. So let's require it here. Play footstep. Let's require replicated storage modules. Play footstep. I'll turn the function we can run. Let's also delete the stuff we no longer need. We already need most of it, I guess. This audio player. Infinity, you are streaming now. What in the hoo-ha? Yes, I've begun streaming again. decided to do this to prove to the content creators following Ectoplasmic that there is still work being done on it. Plus, it's just fun to do every once in a while, you know? I've been streaming all my work on it recently. I'm not sure if that will reduce. It probably could. But we'll see. Now let's see if this code still works after making this bit of code moving. It does in fact still work. Okay, now we need to do, well, we wanted to make a version of this on the client as well. So if we go to the movement controller, do we have the camera controller on here? We do. We can do, camera controller dot bobble. What did I name it? Controllers, camera controller. Did I even say it somewhere? Main camera bubble. Got it. Steps. Whatever. Do footstep. We will play a footstep. Hello there, Spike. How you doing? Been a while. Yes, I'm aware. I remember. Hello. So right now I'm just working on footstep sounds. So we're gonna say player dot character. If not character, then turn. Thank you for the follow. So we need to do a couple things here. We should make a speak. Shoot, it's confusing. Root, star, humanoid, part, root, and then return. Make the attachment. What did I name it? Footstep attachment. Straightforward, simple. Got it. Footstep attachment. If not attached, then you can pass the attachment in here. What's this? Not player, then now we need to get the speaker. So we need to actually create that. Let's require a class. Oh. Now we're gonna say, do this up here. It's pretty easy and non-costly to check. If not, set a speaker. Turn. So we only want to do the speaker, so we have a speaker. I'm not a fish. Or maybe I am. Who knows? Okay, that'll. But sound we'll do player dot player play player dot ended once player destroy. Uh, okay, now we just need to create the speaker. So in setup character, we're going to say root child with attachment. And say speaker instance speakers. We're gonna repeat wait until this. We're gonna wait until the speaker has loaded from the server. Then we need to if s.name get name. What did I name it? So it's like server footsteps. Yeah, first server footsteps. There we go. I guess I can just destroy it. Then we create our own. All right. Might be that easy. Or I might be getting errors for that. No errors. Just a bit of a warning that I could do something about. I probably should do something about that. Because I destroyed that speaker and then I destroyed it on the client. I should add an option to mute it. I'll add a value on here called client mute. Self client mute equals false. Speaker mute. If run service client, you're not on the client and you try to do this, then we're going to give you an error. Yeah. Then an update. Here we go. Now, here, instead of destroying it, we can say quiet mute. That works. Oh, now the carpet sound works. So nice, though. These footsteps are so nice. I'm gonna raise the volume on that. Let's double it. Alright, double the volume of that sound type. Should make this a little bit nicer. Got it. I know exactly what to do about this. There we go. Bug fixed. No sweat. Much better. And it sounds like it's getting cut off a little bit, maybe. So I'm gonna try one thing. I can actually just do text on wait. It should be fine. Should probably do that on the server too. There we go. I hear like little crackles. Anyone else hear that? That's fine. It works pretty nice. I'm happy. Thank you for the follow, Connor. How was I? Motor spike. Alright, I'll just ignore that then. Connor, thank you for the follow. I hope I made good background noise with your homework. Okay, well, that's footsteps. That's what I wanted to get done today. This was a 2.5 hour stream. Not bad. Might do some more work on this game a bit off stream later today. Thank you for watching. If you watched, you should find someone to raid. Love these footsteps. Congratulations, Croner. I trust I made good background noise. Who are we rating? Who are we rating? I love how you finished your homework at the exact same time I finished the stream. I made the footstep sounds, and they're very nice. Your incessant rambling was the perfect solution. I know. I'm talented at incessant rambling. That's what my parents tell me. Past videos, not with that. Football controls. Looks like he's not here. Let's see what he's doing. Ooh, horror game. Hold on. He's making a horror game? You know what? They seem to be making a decent quality horror game. And they have a microphone! Let's go! And they're about to enjoy their 2 new viewers.
But I don't really know. This is like...
What's their username? Bloxy Studio 1. Copy.
You're gonna mess up the game.
Not that. Back to Twitch. Channel. That's what I wanted. Raid. Bam. Raid. It didn't work. How do you do this? It's slash, isn't it? It's slash. Yeah. I'm stupid. It's slash. Oh, I can hear myself. Ugh. Do not allow you to raid at this time. They don't allow raids. Who does that? Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Ooh. Roblox. I mean, not Roblox. I'm used to blaming Roblox for everything. Twitch is gonna make this hard, isn't it? Creating an ability. Rickety code. My question is, do they have a microphone? They do not seem to have a microphone. Whatever, no raid, I guess. There's no one gonna raid. Thank you for watching if you watched. I will see you next time. Make sure to join the Discord if you haven't already, although I know the only 2 people here are Connor and Spike. Or Motor Spiked. I'm assuming that's Spike. I don't know who that is, to be honest. There's a person I know named Spike. Well, that's their username. And someone named Motor Spike joined, and I don't know if that's the same person. I'm gonna assume it is. But, see you guys. Thank you for coming. I saw you came at the end. If you want to see more of these streams, make sure to join the Ectoplasmic Discord server. You can... Yeah, it is indeed you. You can join the... You can do ! Discord to get my Discord. You can join that. You can ask for the Ectoplasmic one. I keep forgetting to set it up to send you directly to the Ectoplasmic one, but whatever. See you next time. Thank you for watching.